I never had this vision that I was gonna go to Cambridge or anything like that. I guess it stemmed from a sort of like self-doubt. I never felt good enough. I'm Buki. I'm 22 years old. I was born in Lagos, Nigeria, and moved to the UK when I was 5 years old. I studied geography at university and then went straight on to do a master's at LSE. So it was coming to the end of my master's and I was thinking about, okay, what do I want to do next? And I thought I'd apply to some graduate schemes as that's what everyone was doing. And then I came across NEF on Facebook, and once I'd researched it and seen what it was about, it felt like the perfect opportunity at the perfect time in my life, which is quite rare. I'd always known that I wanted to start my own business in the future. From my master's, I'd had all these theoretical frameworks to which to think about problems, but never really any practical experience. So I was really attracted by the opportunity to be in a startup and take some of those learnings and turn them into practice. It's 1 year where you have this super supportive environment where you're free to make as many mistakes as you will and just really experiment and see where it goes. For me personally, it was definitely like a self-confidence and self-belief that would take me to the next step and allow me to sort of take that leap into fulfilling what I wanted to do in terms of starting my own business. So I definitely tell my 18-year-old self to have more self-belief, dream big, and just go for it.